Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another question from the topic of AP Precalculus type of question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x given as x minus 1 times x squared minus 2x minus 3, which of the following describes the zeros of p? A, p has exactly 2 distinctly zeros. B, p has exactly 3 distinctly zeros. C, p has exactly 1 distinctly zero and no non-real zeros. D, p has exactly 1 distinctly zero and 2 non-real zeros. So to find the zeros of a polynomial, we will make factors equals 0 and solve for x. So there are two factors given here, x minus 1 equals 0. And the second one is x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. We will solve it for x. So add 1 to both sides here. X equals 1. So this is the first 0, which is the roots of the polynomial. 3 times 1. When you multiply 3 and 1, you're supposed to get negative 3. And when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 2. So this will be negative. This will be positive. So when you write it side by side, x minus 3 times x plus 1 equals 0. So x minus 3 equals 0. X equals, when you add 3 to both sides. Let me rewrite this more clear. Sorry about that. No need to rush. X equals 3. And this one, x plus 1 equals 0. Take away 1 from both sides. X equals negative 1. So we have found the roots as negative 1, positive 1, and 3. So we have found 3 zeros for the polynomial, which means the correct answer is choice B, because P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.